Pahinga mo ta guys. Muna tayo guys. Relax muna, pawala si stress. Kanta muna tayo, oy. Para pawala sa laay. Ano ba yun? Dance with my father. Back when I was a child, before I knew all the innocence, my father would let me hide and dance with my mother and me, and then